Hey guys, what's up to another video of Galper Production. It is me, Kegusono. What we're gonna do today is go to water park. It's located in Noida. It is called Worlds of Wonder. We're gonna see you there. Car right now. There's my cousin Himala and Shini Samo, if you could see.
Himala.
We'll be reaching there in 15 minutes.
Living in the same routine, like the seasons I'm on repeat. It's a long way down. Trying not to follow suit. Don't like the color, I'll change the shade of it.
Okay,
Water park.
water park. We are about to reach the water park, but since there's 5-minute walk and it is too sunny, we are not walking, and we are waiting for our ride. Yeah, check out this ride, man.
Yes.
I'm not afraid of it. I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on. I know I'm
마음으로 최다. 어제 깡총 떨길래 그 스프레이도 가시던 깡총 최지. 아.
괜찮지. 니비아 나이트 크림 좋다. 저런 이만저 댄트.
I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on. Don't let me repeat it.
We have reached the place, but change of plan now. We are going to go to Decathlon first and see if we could buy something that we could wear in the water park. And here's the place. This is Decathlon. What you want? What you want? Dance, go speed, gambling. Okay, now we have just finished shopping inside the Decathlon. It's 1 a.m. now. It's 1 p.m. right now. Finally, we are going to the ticket counter to buy some ticket to the World of Wonder water park. So, see the line. It is as if the tickets are free. Oh yeah. She's really high. Okay,
मरेगा तो साथ में मरेंगे। सब साथ में ले।
मैं हूँगा तुम तीनों को थक्कत देने वाला।
Fast forward a year or two. Friends have changed, but so can you. So can you. For too long about the mistakes. While I resent, I learned to hate. Forgot your name. Fear the struggle to follow on. Need to focus to prove you're wrong. I'm not wrong. I know I'm
Second ride, second most dangerous ride in the water. This is the ride. We're gonna go slide down from there.
I know I'm holding on to this. holding on. I know